In this video, I will show you how to turn off passwords when downloading apps from App Store on iPhone. So if this video helps you, consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. So it's going to be really simple. First of all, obviously turn on your iPhone just like that. And yeah, let's get right started. We're going to need to open up settings. And once you're in settings, look something like this for you, as you see. So once you're in settings, what we should do is scroll down and find screen time if you have it and click on it. So let's search screen time. Okay, here it might be at the top, at the bottom, it depends. And then what we do is find content privacy and restrictions. Here, click on it, and you can, if you click on it on, here it will show something like this: iTunes and App Store purchases. Find it. So app installations and purchases. In that purchase, you need to check. So I'm going to show you. So yeah, click on it, app installation and purchases, and click on where is require password. You can click on don't require password for additional purchases after making a purchase, and App Store you can make sure it's allowed. In app purchases you can also. So, and I'm going to show you another way. Another way we can do is go up, go out, and then go to Apple ID. And then what we want you to do is click on media and purchases here. So click on it here, and then click on password settings, and then free downloads don't require passwords, and click on require after 15 minutes, just like that, and you can click on done. This is another way. And another thing you can do, so one thing you can also do is scroll down to find Face ID and passcode. Click on it, and you'll need to enter your password here, and then use Face ID for blah blah blah, and you can turn that off. Turn passcode off, or you can change it if you want to. Allow access when locked, here you can turn off. So yeah, make sure this off. So I hope this video helped you. Subscribe.